So, yes, I am aware of the professional membership body that supports my industry. I am aware of the things that it can offer from a career progression perspective and sort of, what it can do for your CV and how it can elevate you in your career and looking at higher level roles within the industry that you work in. One of the top reasons for me as to why I haven't joined it yet in my career is that I think there's a fine line between the weighting of experience versus qualifications. And I think in my particular career path is that I've experienced so far that experience often outweighs qualifications. So if I look at things like my degree, for example, that has had a bearing on my entry level role. But then after that, it's more of a tick box just to say that it's something I've attained. And I think for me to consider joining the membership body in my industry in the future, I'd have to see real tangible outputs as to how this is going to benefit me in my career progression, other than just being a tick box or something to put on my CV to demonstrate to future employers that that's a qualification I've obtained. On top of that as well, what the learning outputs are and how I can actually really apply that to my skill set and performing in my day-to-day role. Because as much as it's about demonstrating to my employers that I, have the skill set and have the knowledge and have that qualification, it's really about what I get out of it as an individual as well, for me to consider doing it in the future. If the membership organisation focused on logging my professional journey, would have been more interested. Potentially, again, I think, I'd divert that question back to the data side of things. And if it was logging my career progression, what does that say? And, can that give a clearer picture for my industry as a whole, not just me as an individual, but, what are the pain points for everybody across my industry in those particular job roles? So I'd say that would have a bearing on my decision for that.